In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip emotes in Something Evil Will Happen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Unlocking and equipping new emotes in Something Evil Will Happen is extremely simple. All that you have to do is go ahead and join the experience. So join a private server or a public server, it doesn't matter. And once you are in, choose the option to spawn. So now you will load in to the experience, and what you have to do is go over to this shop in the middle. So when you spawn in, before the game actually begins, go over to the shop and interact with this NPC. In here, you will find the emotes tab. You can unequip emotes, purchase new ones. They will have their price displayed here. And once you have them purchased, you will see the option to equip. So as you can see, I purchased this one for 100 dosh. So now that I've purchased that emote, it is going to be available for me to equip. So I can click on it. It's going to say owned, and then I can put it on any of these slots. I'll also equip the other one. Now, if you hold B, whenever you are in the overworld, you will find the emote here. You can have up to 2 pages of emotes, but if you want to purchase a secondary one, you will have to pay Robux. So keep that in mind, and then you can use the emote. Simple to do, everyone will see the emote being performed, including any sort of sound effects, if there are any, on the emote that you used, and you can always get new ones whenever you go to the shop. So you spawn in, you should be right in front of the shop, but if you aren't, then just climb up from underneath, and you will be able to spend the doge that you've earned. Initial emotes are actually quite cheap, and you can even purchase the one Oh No's, the one that I purchased, as soon as you join the experience, but other ones can get very expensive. So as you can see, the most expensive one is going to be 4,321. You can see the credits here, and usually these are going to be references to memes and popular culture. So purchase any of these and then equip them into the respective slots. You can also click on any emote that you already have equipped to swap the slot that it is currently attributed to, and then you can use them in game. Everyone will be able to see. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.